Hope this works. Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Deandra and today I'm going to be reviewing magnetic lashes. More specifically, I'm going to be doing the Arishine magnetic lashes, eyeliner and eyelashes kit. It says it's gorgeous and flawless. I'll be the judge of that. It says they are reusable, easy to use, waterproof. Okay. And it comes with 2 tubes of magnetic eyeliners, 5 pairs of magnetic lashes, and then 1 eyelash applicator. And I got this all on Amazon for $20. So if this works, it will be my new thing. And I'm always rushing, so this would be awesome if I could just put it on and go and not have to wait for the glue to dry, because a lot of times that's what will be my downfall when I'm late. Like the glue won't be dry enough and I'm just rushing, so I try to put it on and then the glue like gets into your eye and then you start crying and then your eyes are just so wet, so there's nothing for the lash to hang on to. It's a whole thing that I hate. So this is what it looks like. It says it's long wearing, waterproof. I'm excited. Let's put it to the test. I don't know how I'm gonna test the waterproof, but we'll see if it's smudge proof. I'll try to do a little type of motion. And it also says on Amazon that it's smudge proof and it's supposed to last all day, so I'll also be checking for that. Ooh, okay. This is actually really nice. So I just opened it and this is what the lashes look like. They look so pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm shook. Okay, okay. And I'm also gonna see if, it doesn't say anywhere if you can, but I usually stack my lashes. So I'm gonna also see if that's an option. I wasn't originally gonna do a wing because I thought it would be like a waste of eyeliner, you know? But it does come with 2, and then it says on the back that you're meant to use it like a regular eyeliner. So that's what we're gonna do, and we'll see what happens. I've seen some online that are like sparkly. So I hope that this is a matte black liner. Let's see. So now let's try the actual eyeliner. It doesn't say if I'm meant to like wait, but I don't think that I would have to. I think as soon as I like put the eyeliner on, I can just go ahead and put on the lash. So let's see about that. I'm really nervous, but also excited. This is literally like the future, I feel like. Okay, ooh, the smell is very strong. Oh yeah, I don't know if I like that, but hopefully it'll go away, because I had the same problem with my concealer where it smelled kind of like chemically, but if you just like air it out, it'll be fine. Yeah, okay. It looks like, I don't know, it looks like a cheap applicator, but like for eyeliner, but it looks like a regular applicator for like if I was to put on glue. So I'm gonna put this on like regular eyeliner. I don't know why I'm so nervous right now. I'm like, ah. I hope it works though. That would be dope. Oh, it is pretty black. This is what like one go through to make a liner is, and yeah, it looks like a regular black eyeliner. There are no sparkles in it, so that's good. Let me try to make a little wing on this side and see how that one goes. And then with the wing, I'm wondering, will it actually be like harder to apply it since like this whole area is magnetic? Hope not. Let's see. So, quick little discovery that I just had while I was doing my other eye is that actually, when you open up the actual applicator, you need to be really careful, because if you open it regularly, it will like go everywhere. So apparently it got on my palm. So when I tried to do my eyelash, it then got on my face and my other hand. And it's also on my wall. So does go everywhere, so just keep in mind that and be careful. So I'm gonna wipe all of this off and I'll be right back. And then we'll also see if it still works, if it's a little dry, because the side's gonna be a little dry. Okay guys, so I am back after all of that, and my findings come that this is smudge proof and waterproof because of how like long it took to get off. Like as you can see, like this spot right here, there's like literally no makeup right there on my face because of all the scrubbing that I actually had to do to get it off. So that's awesome on that front. Not if you spill any on your face, but if you just need it to be waterproof. So here is the lash. I'm excited. I'm gonna I guess try to stick it on and see how that goes. Wait, what? What in the world? That is actually insane. Is it on? What in the world? That is crazy. What? Like, I don't know why I was expecting it to like, because let me show you up close. Let me see. If you can see it, it has like these little magnets on them. So I don't know why I thought it was like snap into place or like I would hear it. But like literally, I just did not even know that it was on. And then I put it on and then I'm shook. Like, what? Okay. Let me try this again. Oh, if I can stack these, baby. Cause that is so cute. What? I'm just using the camera. I'm not even using a mirror and it was that easy to put on. I'm shook. I am. Okay, let's try the other side. Shake me again. I love this. Okay, y'all, let's do this again. Let's see. Do you also see the smudge on my face also from the eyeliner? So this is kind of messy for my first time, but okay. Let me stick this in the middle. And yeah, that was really easy. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I picked it up and put it back down. And that was also really easy to do. But wow. That's it? And they're on? You're kidding. Okay, I am beyond shook. I did not know if this will work, but I think that this is a great deal, a great bang for your buck. $20 for 5 lashes, and they're not like thin. Like, you know, I could go out like this. And they're reusable. It doesn't say up to like how many times. I guess it's just like when it starts getting gunky and gross, and like the same time you would change your regular lashes. But dang, what? Oh my gosh, that's insane. Okay. I am so excited. Let me go grab another pair to see if they stack, which I honestly don't need, but now I just have to see. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got another lash. I'm still like, I was just looking at myself in the mirror. I'm beyond like flabbergasted. Like, this looks so good. Do you see this? Like, I'm not just saying, but these are everything. Are you kidding me? I'm about to throw in the lashes that I have right now. Like, are you kidding me? Because from far away, they look good, but the real test up here. And literally, this will be such a good thing because no one will catch you slipping with your inner eye. Because as long as you have the eyeliner on, the corners, they aren't gonna lift up because they're like magnetically connected. Like, I'm sorry, but this is crazy. Like, let's see if I can double this up. That would be, is this even the right eye? I don't think so. Let me see. I literally don't know. It looks like, I'm gonna give it a go for this one and see what it looks like. There might also, ooh, no, that time I felt it snap. You're kidding. And I don't even need it, but like if you wanted that drama, baby, then you can get it. But literally, What? And I did not even have to cut these lashes to size, and I have crazy small eyes, but I didn't even have to cut it. I don't even know. Which one do I like better? I guess I would double it up for a night look, but for a day look, I'm definitely fine with just the one. That's crazy. Okay. One more test. Let me see if I could take it off and like put it back on type of moment. Like, ooh, like I messed up, my bad. Oh my God. Do I have to reapply, or can I just like pop this thing back on? Let's see. OMG. Wow. And just like that, ladies and gents, we're back. Excusez-moi? Like, okay. I'm shook. So now the last test. Let me just rub this off to see. Oh, and another good thing about this, before I forget, this was literally, because I didn't want to get it and then not work and then I would be upset. So I got like one of the cheapest ones on Amazon. So again, this is only $20 for 5 lashes and 2 tubes of eyeliner. Like, come on, who's giving you better than that? Let me know. I'll wait. Actually put in the comment if like you do know, because I'll hop on that too. But no, really, this is insane in the membrane. Like I'm shook. So let me show you guys. As you can see, this is the actual eyeliner itself. Let me just, I don't know what will happen. I guess, I don't want to mess with my makeup. I'm excited. Let me actually go to this side. Since I started with this side, it'll definitely be more dry. So let's see if it smudges. Oh gosh, I don't want to redo my makeup. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay. Let's do that again for the people in the back. I'll use this finger. You see? Clean. 1, 2, 3. Ah, that is crazy. What the heck? Dang. Okay. So you can do anything with these lashes. You can wear it by itself. You can double it. It's not gonna smudge. I want to do that. That's insane. Literally, I'm shook. I'm obsessed. Get you some of these lashes. That's the review. I love it. 10 out of 10. Would recommend all day. Like, what in the world? And I already showed you the waterproof. That thing was so hard to get off. I need to reapply my makeup right there, stat. But yeah, so I don't see these coming off. They feel very secure. They don't feel like they're just hanging there. Like, they feel more secure than my regular lashes, which I love. I'm obsessed. Okay, like that's all I have to say, because I'm still like shook about it. And literally, I paid for this with my own money, so I have no reason to lie. Like, dang. I usually would have more words, but like just the initial is like, this is everything. Like, this really just changed the game, changed how I'm about to do makeup, because I don't see myself using regular lashes again. I really don't, because this is amazing. Like, why would you work harder when I could do this in 2 seconds? Like, come on. So this is gonna be my new thing. I'm obsessed. I really hope that you enjoyed the review. The link for this will be down in the description box below. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.